Now, as the nation hangs on to see if Leon Bailey will represent Jamaica, news has emerged that England are showing an interest in the 21-year-old sensation.
As the plot thickens, many are asking if the story carried by the Sunday Mirror out of England is indeed true. The JFF would hope not, but Leon Bailey's agent Craig Butler says the interest is great and could go through. And not only for Bailey, but Kyle Butler too.
Yes, the English FA has approached us. They've also been to several of Leon's games, and they've approached Kyle, Leon, and myself, and they have invited both players to play with the English national team. I will meet with them further this week. It's something that you will have to consider if the JFF is unwilling to actually listen to reason.
But Butler's decision on who Bailey will represent on the international stage rests on whether he is offered the job as director of football at the JFF.
For me, at this point, I'm a patriot. I love Jamaica, but I'm not stupid either. And if the JFF is unwilling to ensure we have a system of play that we can put in place, and I'm good at doing that, then it makes very little sense for us to continue to belabor the point.
For Leon, who was not born in England to represent the country, he must qualify by virtue of having an England-born parent or a grandparent born in England. Great-grandparents do not count. To play for England without an ancestral or birth connection, a player has to have resided in England for a full 5 years before he reaches the age of 18. That means he must have arrived in England no later than his 13th birthday and must have stayed put continuously for a full 5 years. Players who come to England after the age of 18 and stay for 5 years or more will not qualify for England. Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.